Have you ever wanted to build your own app but didn't know how to code? What if I told you that you can create your own AI-powered app in just a few simple steps without writing a single line of code? In today's video, we are diving into Retune, a powerful no-code platform that lets you build and launch your own AI apps fast and easily. Whether you want to create a chatbot, a productivity tool, or even your own idea, Retune makes the process simple and beginner-friendly. Before you get started, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. So, let's begin. Retune is a no-code platform that allows you to build your own AI-powered applications and chatbots without writing a code. It's designed for creators, startups, agencies, and businesses who want to launch AI apps quickly. But before building your app, you need to understand the pricing models because your plan determines your limits, features, and scalability. Now, the hobby plan or free is perfect for personal projects or testing ideas. This plan is great if you're experimenting, you're building a portfolio, maybe you're testing an idea before scaling and you're learning how AI apps work. But it does have limitations, especially on messages and file uploads. Okay, and then the Grow plan is designed for startups and small businesses because with this, it gives you the ability to customize your chat widget, early access to new features, which is ideal if you're running a business, you expect high traffic, and you need scalable AI tools. And then the Max plan is built for agencies and teams with advanced needs. Because if you are managing multiple clients and if you want a full branding control, plus you're building an enterprise level solutions, this plan gives you full flexibility and scalability. Before creating your own app, ask yourself, is this going to be a test project? If it is, you start with the hobby or free plan. And are you building a business tool? If it is, go with the Grow plan. And are you building for clients or at scale? If that is, choose the Max plan. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your choice depends on your goals, budget, and how serious you are about scaling your AI app. For now, we are going to choose the free plan. Click the Get Started. And then here, you can sign in with your email, but to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google account. And after that, you will be forwarded to the main homepage of Retune. Now, this platform allows you to build different types of AI-powered apps, such as chatbots, customer support assistants, knowledge-based AI tools, internal business tools, lead generation bots, and all you have to do is choose the template that fits your goal or start from scratch if you prefer full control. For this example, we are going to create a simple AI chatbot app by clicking the Create a New Chatbot. Okay? Click the Create Chat here. Now you need to rename the new chat, which is going to be something like this, name, and the description. Okay? Click the Create Chat. What will happen is you will be forwarded here. Now, our chatbot has been officially created. I want you to click on it. Okay, so because it will open up multiple options. But before we explore the tools for our chatbot app, we first need to click the gear icon, which is the settings, and configure the external API keys. Because without setting these API keys, the app won't function properly. Now you can choose from any external API keys if you're using OpenAI, OpenRouter, Grok, Pinecone. In my case, I am using Claude, so I'm going to click on it. And the API keys is just here. Copy that and go back to the Retune and paste it. Okay, and click the Save button. Now that we have that covered, let's go back to our chatbot. Now, the prompt is where you define your AI's brain and personality. Here, you can write your own instructions that tells the AI how it should behave. You can set the tone like professional, sales focus, define rules and limitations, and add context about your business. Now think of this as giving your AI employee a job description, and then of course click the auto prompt. Click the generate button. And then for the train, this is where you teach your AI knowledge. You can upload PDF, documents, FAQs, add a website links to crawl, upload product catalogs from a YouTube video. This AI will use this data to answer questions accurate. So this is like giving your AI access to your company handbook. And then the capture collects user information wherein you can ask for name, qualify leads, collect customer inquiries, which is great for lead generation, support forms, booking requests. So think of this as your chatbot into a mini CRM tool. And then after that is going to be the conversation. This is where you test your chatbot. See how it responds. Okay? If you want to create a new trend or type a message here, press enter to see how it goes. And click here to get your API key if you haven't that already. After that is the conversation. This is where you can test your chatbot and see how it responds. You see there is a pencil icon here. You can improve the prompt and fix any mistake if you want it. Okay? For example, we have this specific inquiry and question, and click the save button to see how it goes. Basically, this acts as your AI testing playground, and then we move on to the API keys. Now, the API allows developers to connect your chatbot to other apps or systems. Basically, you can connect to your website. I'm gonna copy this embedded link and I'm going to my website, which is powered by Squarespace. I'm going to click the edit site, and then I am going to click the edit. There is an option here for me to add another block, and then I'm gonna choose, let's say, embed. And then of course, all I have to do at this point is add the embedded code. Click the pencil icon so you can embed the code right here. Okay, it's super simple. And then of course, you can put in a description for that embedded link that you have and click the save button. If you want to add a custom featured image, you can do that as well. And it's automatically be saved here on your website. Click the save button. Okay. And then we go to the publish section. This is where you make your AI live and accessible. Okay. Similar to the option earlier, if you want to add that specific embedded link to your website, let's go back again to our Squarespace. We can add it here. Okay, so I'm going to add another one, add another block, and in this case, we're going to go for the code. I'm going to move it around here. Gonna click the pencil icon so we can add that specific code. You see this? So now it's save here. We're going to go back again after saving to the Retune. And we are going to explore the integrations. This connects Retune to other tools like WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, or Trello. For example, we are going to choose Telegram. Click the access token right here. Now to get a new bot token, when you open your Telegram, you need to search for the @botfather. You can see that it has a verified blue check and start a chat. Send a new chat by typing in, let's say, for example, new bot and create a new bot. And then type in a new prompt to name it. For example, in our case, what I'm going to do is my prompt is going to be this one. Now, once it's done, I want you to copy that existing token and then go back to your Retune. Paste the access token so that we can connect Telegram to our chatbot here in Retune. Click the save button. Now with this, it makes your chatbot part of your full business system. Last is going to be the settings. This controls your chatbot's configuration. If you want to create, let's say, a bot name for this one, you can do so. Okay? You can put in a bot avatar. And you can choose the model. For example, let's say if you want to use GPT-5, GPT Mini, Nano, Llama, Grok, it's up to you. You can also set a temperature for randomness. And then on the input token, you can set a limit for that. Is it going to be like 3,400? Or maybe you wanted to do something like this. Output token is this. It's up to you, and you can limit the threads. And if you want to become a partner, okay, so we have, remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. And if you want to add a chat icon, you can do so. And for the theme, maybe we're going to use something like this one right here. Okay. And for the greeting, if you want a specific or a custom template for that, you can do so. For example, this one. You can also place a holder here, type your message. Once you're happy with all of these changes, okay, I want you to click the save button. Now we can go back to our prompt and go to the chatbot itself. And basically that's it. That's how you use to create your own app without writing a single line of code. Now, if you're a creator, startup founder, freelancer, or business owner who wants to build an AI app fast, Retune is a powerful and beginner-friendly platform. It removes the technical barriers and lets you focus on what really matters: your idea, your content, and your users. Now, the question is it perfect for everyone? Not necessarily. Larger companies with advanced development teams might prefer fully custom-built solutions, but for most creators and small businesses, Retune offers an excellent balance of simplicity, power, and scalability. Now, if you are serious about building your own AI chatbot or app, this is a great place to start. And don't forget, if you want to get started, check out our affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps us continue creating tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.